Shelly, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you a solar light for your garden, lawn and porch. It's a decorative solar light. So let's open it and see. So in case you guys are looking for a decorative light for your garden, lawn, porch and outside patio, then definitely this review will help you. This is the user manual. So it's a solar fence light. You can use it in your fence, or also you can use it in your garden and outside porch, patio, everywhere you can use this one. So it comes with 4 solar lights. Yeah, you can see this looks really nice. It has the solar panel here and the decorative design, and here is, you can put it in your fence or porch, wherever you want you can put it. They have given like 4 screws. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, it looks really nice. Here is the solar panel and the decorative pattern looks nice. Yeah, we can put it in the outside and I will see how it looks. You can see the solar panel. Yeah, so let's go outside and see how it looks. So I'm planning to put somewhere here because I think I tried to make a hole in the wall, but I cannot because I think this is like a concrete wall, so it's really difficult for me to make a hole and put nails there. That's why I'm planning to put it in the ground, and I will show you how it works in the night. So, but if you can drill in the wall, definitely you can put it in the wall. It will definitely look really nice, or you can put it in the fence. Oh, you don't need any support. As you can see, I just put like this way. You can put it in the wall or in your fence, wherever you like. I just put it in here because here it was easier for me, and also I like to decorate this pathway, so that's why I put it here, and it looks nice. So we'll check it in the night how it looks. Yeah, you have to put in such a way so that you can get the direct sunlight. These panels will get the direct sunlight, so we'll check it in the night. Let's see. So here it's like really hot in the outside, so I'm going inside and we'll check in the night. So guys, you can see there is a tiny button here, the white one. You just have to turn on the switch, this tiny white one. After turning on the switch, the light will work fine because it's solar operated, so it will work automatically. But first time you have to turn on the switch. So the small white switch you just have to turn on. You can see this white one. You just have to turn on. Yeah, for turning on, the light will work fine. This is how my light looks. You can see. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, you can see this is how this is totally night, and this is how the light looks without any flash or any light. Yeah, this is without flash. Yeah, with this shadow it looks like really pretty. Yeah, but make sure you have to turn on the tiny switch inside this light, otherwise it will not work. So you have to turn on the switch. Yeah, the light looks really nice. Yeah, I hope this video found you helpful. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.